Let's take a look at what's going on outside, where things have not been quite as tumultuous. We have consistently stuck with temperatures just around average. We're going to warm up, though. We've got a climb into the 70s as we head into the weekend and early next week. Still dark outside as you look toward what I think this is Coronado, right? We're starting off the day with temperatures mostly in the 30s. Now, it is Coronado. As we head into the afternoon, we're going to see those temperatures climb luckily into the 60s. So we see a nice climb in temperatures. But although, you should keep that jacket on hand with you throughout this morning and then going into this evening. Let's talk about what's going on in your forecast for the remainder of your week into the weekend. Today is Friday. We have this wind advisory that will expire at noon today. Tan color on your screen is where it extends through. You got your inland valleys all the way toward your mountain tops. Now, these gusts are already in the 40 and 50 mile per hour range. You see where those gusts are as we speak. Purple on the screen indicating upwards of 40 mile per hour gusts, and those purple tones extend all the way through your inland valleys. Now, these winds are going to continue into the afternoon. By the time we get to noon here on the screen, you can see how we are at 50 mile per hour gusts in Julian, 41 in Ramona, and things are going to start to die down getting into late this evening and early tomorrow morning. Winds will stay onshore. We'll start to see a little bit of a shift in that wind direction for Saturday. It's very short-lived because by the time we get into Sunday, we have those winds offshore once again and likely continuing in that direction all the way into next week, which will contribute to that gradual warming trend. Upper 60s for this afternoon will make it into the about 70s for a couple spots on the map. Oceanside and Carlsbad are looking at highs at 71 degrees, 68 for Fallbrook all the way through Vista, 66 for Escondido and Poway, 43 up at Palomar Mountain and in Julian today. So a lot of sunshine for the next 8 days. As you can see, temperatures are on that nice climb. So again, 67 degrees makes it all the way up to 74 or so degrees by Wednesday of next week, 76 by Thursday. It's a nice climb in afternoon high temperatures. Inland, we're going to be seeing a very similar thing happen. We've got mid 60s for today, climbing all the way to the possible near 80-degree range by the time we get into about Wednesday of next week. Mountains and deserts very similar. Climb in temperatures, Santa Ana winds really through and through, and it looks like those deserts have a very, very good chance of reaching into the 80s as early as Tuesday of next week.